Standard industrial bolting systems use a reaction member to prevent the tool from turning. This is the most common source of injuries on bolting jobs. When the socket turns the nut, the reaction member abuts against a stationary surface. If the pump operator starts the tool before the tool operator is clear of the reaction area, severe injury can occur. The revolutionary high-torque washer eliminates the need for reaction arms, drastically increasing job safety. Like a standard washer, it works with your existing nuts and bolts, and it's available in all sizes and materials. Using a high-torque bolting system, like the ICE tool shown here, the operator simply places the drive over the nut and the washer, and the job is ready to begin. Dangerous pinch points and complicated reaction fixtures are completely eliminated. When the tool is operated, the outer sleeve of the drive holds the high-torque washer to provide a reaction point, while the socket inside turns down the nut. This means that the surface friction is the same around the flange, reducing variations in bolt load and increasing joint integrity. Standard industrial bolting systems also require the use of a backup wrench to stop the nut on the other side from turning during the tightening or loosening operation. When a backup wrench is used, another pinch point is added to the bolting job, increasing the likelihood of a safety incident. The high-torque washer system prevents nut turning without the use of backup wrenches by using a knurled washer on the nut opposite the one being turned. With no backup wrenches or pinch points, the chance for a safety incident is significantly reduced. In addition to increasing job safety, using the high-torque washer has been proven to reduce job time. In many cases, cutting the overall time in half. The first way job time is reduced is through easier setup. Traditional bolting systems use reaction fixtures that need to be positioned correctly before the tool can be operated. With the high-torque washer, one system works for all applications. Minimal setup time is required even on the most challenging jobs. Another benefit of the easier setup is reduced training time for tool operators. In some plant, there are different operators on each job. To ensure safety and accuracy, each tool operator must be trained on the job-specific system being used. With the high-torque washer, training time is reduced and new operators can be trained for all applications in as little as 10 to 15 minutes. When the distance between the reaction arm and the socket varies, even by as little as half an inch, the bolt load achieved with the same exact torque can vary by thousands of pounds, resulting in potential for nut loosening and flange leakage. Using the high-torque washer places the action and reaction on one axis, so there is no stress in the body of the tool. This reduces tool repairs and increases the lifetime of the tool.